My name is Raza, and it is my privilege and honor to introduce to you the amazing volunteer-run organization, Hospital Services Support Foundation, HSSF. HSSF was founded in June 2018 by a group of Bay Area Sri Lankan American professionals, united by a heartfelt mission to ease the suffering of needy patients in government hospitals across Sri Lanka. Reverend Raja Well A. Subuthi Thero, the director of the Hospital Services Council, HSC, based in Colombo General Hospital, met with members of HSSF and began the partnership that continues to grow stronger every passing year. To begin with, let me introduce the current board members of HSSF. President Prabhath Silva, Vice President Manjula Wickramaratna, Director Sunil Nethasinha, Director Sayanaka Ranawira, Treasurer Kaishini Semarawikrama, and Secretary Indika Walamune. The journey of HSSF began with humble steps, small boxes filled with essential supplies, hand-packed with care, and delivered to patients in need at government hospitals across Sri Lanka. What started as a simple act of kindness soon grew into a heartfelt mission to send life-saving medical equipment to hospitals where resources were scarce and hope was fading. The path was far from easy. Navigating the complexities of the healthcare industry, managing logistics, transportation, and storage, every challenge demanded dedication, patience, and trust. Naturally, all the volunteers had a joyful and rewarding experience. With the guidance of a compassionate healthcare professional, the way forward became clearer. One by one, partners and volunteers joined hands, united by a shared purpose. Loading each 40-foot container became more than just work, it became a symbol of unity. A community standing shoulder to shoulder, lifting, recording, organizing, and sealing each container with love, determination, and faith. This is the spirit of HSSF, a journey of compassion, powered by the hearts of volunteers, bringing hope and healing to those who need it most. Each piece of medical equipment is carefully packed to withstand the 4-week voyage across vast oceans to reach the beating hearts of patients in Sri Lanka. Upon arrival, our trusted partner, the Hospital Services Council, takes over, ensuring safe clearance, storage, and distribution to hospitals most in need. To date, 26 40-foot containers have journeyed across the seas, bringing hope and healing to 443 of the 850 medical facilities across the nation. Now, Mia's share the faces of gratitude, the stories of impact, and the heartfelt appreciation from doctors, nurses, and the communities we serve. The recent opening of the renovated HSC facilities, Minister of Health and Mass Media Nalinda Jayathisa highly appreciated the efforts and promised assistance.
දුෂ්කරතා කිව්වට වඩා අමාරුකම් ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. ඒ හැම දෙයක්ම විඳ දරාගෙන මේ ඇඳන් වල සිට මේ සෞඛ්‍ය උපකරණ දක්වා කරන පරිත්‍යාගය ඒ රෝහල් කටයුතු පවත්වාගෙන යාමේදී අතිශය වටිනවා කියන එක මම කියන්න ඕන කමක් තියෙනවා.
ඒ ටිකත් අපි මේ තුන්වෙනි කන්ට්‍රි අපි බාගෙන ඉන්නේ. මේකට මේ වගේ පින්කමක් කරන්න මේක ලැබීමක්.
උපකරණවල වටිනාකම රුපියල් මිලියන 60ක්. අමරිකාවේ Hospital Service Support Foundation ආයතනයයි මෙම වෛද්‍ය උපකරණ පරිත්‍යාග කර ඇත්තේ.
The refurbished value of a single ICU bed is about $3,500. Each container carries 36 beds, and with a total cost of just $10,000 for a container, every shipment is worth over $120,000, multiplying the impact of your donation by 12 times. To ensure safety and reliability, HSSF also includes surge protection systems designed for challenging power conditions in hospitals. Some may ask, what use is such advanced equipment in government hospitals?
දැඩිසත්කාර ඒකකයේ අපේ ඉන්නේ ගොඩාක් මොලේ ආබාධ සහිත ගොඩාක් අසනීප වුණු රෝගී. අපිට ලයින් එකක් දානකොට හෙඩ් ලෝ කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. ඒතර බ්ලඩ් ප්‍රෙෂර් ඩ්‍රොප් වෙනකොට ලෙග්ස් අප් කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. එතකොට නර්සින් කියාවලදී හරවන්න ලේසි වෙන්න ඕන. එතකොට මේ බ්ලඩ් ක්ලොට්ස් හැදෙන එක කකුල් වල නවත්තන්න මොබිලයිසේෂන් කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන.
ලොකු සේවාවක් කළා තියෙනවා මේ කැලිෆෝනියාවේ Hospital Service Support Foundation එකෙන්. කලින් තිබ්බ ඇඳන් ගත්තොත් එහෙම ඒවා මැනුවලි ඔපරේටඩ් ඇඳන් ඇත්තටම මේ ඇඳන් ගත්තොත් එහෙම අපි මේ රෝගීන් මේ ඇඳ මතම මොබිලයිස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. විශේෂයෙන් වැදගත් වෙන දෙයක් තමයි මේ ස්නායු ශල්‍ය කර්ම වලට භාජනය වෙච්ච රෝගීන් වාඩි කිරීම සහ ඒ ක්‍රියාවන් ඇත්තටම ඒක මේ ඇඳෙන්න කරගන්න පුළුවන් හැකියාව ලැබිලා තියෙනවා අපිට. ලොකු සහයෝගයක් මේ හම්බ වෙලා තියෙනවා අපිට මේ අපේ කැලිෆෝනියාවේ ඉන්න අපේ ජනතාවගෙන්.
of the Hospital Service Support Foundation of the United States of America, which has made an unprecedented donation to medical students and the innocent lives of faraway Kuliapidia. The university students are happy to see the millions of grants that you have presented to strengthen the educational facilities of the new doctors.
ඒ පරිත්‍යාගයන් අපිට ලබා දෙන්න රෝහල් සේවා මණ්ඩලයේ සියලුම දෙනා අපේ ලොකු හාමුදුරුවෝ ඒ වගේම අපේ ලංකාවෙන් පිටේ ඉන්න විදේශගත ශ්‍රී ලාංකිකයන් ගොඩක් දෙනෙක් ඒකට සහාය වෙලා තියෙනවා. අපේ අධ්‍යාපනයේ යම් අභියෝගයකට ලක් වෙලා අපි ඉන්න මේ වෙලාවේ අපි වෙනුවෙන් අපිට සහාය වෙන්න අපි වෙනුවෙන් ශක්තියක් වෙන්න අපේම ශ්‍රී ලාංකිකයන් පිරිසක් එළියේ ඉන්නවා කියන එක අද අපිට දැනුණ ඒක අපිට ලොකු ශක්තියක්.
Board member Sunil Nevasinha and his wife, Anuja, visited the donation of maternity beds to De Soysa Maternity Hospital in Colombo, built in 1879, one of the oldest in Asia. Medical staff expressed heartfelt appreciation for the new beds that will transform the facility. They were excited to learn that Anuja herself was born there decades ago. They explained how the old beds posed many challenges for mothers, climbing in and out of high frames, limited leg rest adjustments, and the inability to adjust back support for safer delivery and more. Hearing these challenges was deeply moving and brought tears to Anuja. It reminded us how a simple act of compassion can ease the struggles of countless mothers, as they all deserve.
This is the labor room of Kuliapitia Teaching Hospital, which is located in the northwestern province of Sri Lanka. These are the pieces of medical equipment that you bought and donated with your hard-earned wealth to millions of pregnant mothers living in remote areas like Kuliapitia, Sri Lanka, are now reducing the world's greatest pain by giving birth to the human being.
Let me take you across Sri Lanka to visit some hospitals that received HSSF donations, where each piece of equipment became a symbol of compassion, easing pain.
රජවැල්ලේ සුභූති හිමියන්ගේ අනුශාසකත්වයෙනුයි. ඒ සඳහා වැය කර ඇති මුදල රුපියල් මිලියන 40ක්. අමරිකාවේ හොස්පිටල් සර්විස් සපෝට් ෆවුන්ඩේෂන් ආයතනයයි මෙම වෛද්‍ය උපකරණ ලබා දී ඇත්තේ.
In Ratnapura Base Hospital, the long-awaited dream came true. The new emergency ward, equipped by HSSF, now stands ready to save lives.
රත්නපුර ශික්ෂණ රෝහලට දැඩි සත්කාරයන් 15ක් ඊයේ පරිත්‍යාග කෙරුණා. ඊට අනුග්‍රහය දැක්වුවේ අමරිකාවේ Hospital Services Support Foundation ආයතනයේ.
During one of his visits, HSSF President Prabhath Silva joined Subhuthi Thero, director of the Hospital Services Council, to personally witness the handover of medical equipment. The hospitals welcomed them with heartfelt gratitude, some even holding festive receptions to honor the moment. Seeing the equipment used to advance healing and/or lives deeply moved him. The dedication of the medical teams, the coordination of the Sri Lankan Navy in transport and delivery, all spoke of unity and purpose. From KT's Base Hospital and Nag Gadipa Hospital in the far north, to Jaffna Teaching Hospital, Anura Adipura, Trincomalee, and Colombo, the impact was felt across the nation. He returned inspired, carrying not just memories, but renewed commitment to the cause and a heartfelt message of appreciation for every donor who made this possible.
We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Make a donation and become a sustainer of HSSF. Together, we can bring healing and hope to those in need. Thank you for your unwavering support.